I have this 1995 Ford Ranger XLT. It has a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder in it, and the power steering is leaking fluid all over. You can see it's just kind of drip down everywhere. Power steering's making noise, and it's coming from the power steering pressure sensor on the high pressure line. And so I just want to make a quick video to show how to replace that. So I just jack stand, took my woolen tire off, and you can see it right there. And so what I did is I just reached up here, 9/16 open face wrench, and I got back behind it. I got it on right like that up there, and then I was able to clear everything there and loosen it, get it broke loose right there. So now I'm just unscrew it the rest of the way, and I ordered the new one. I got for $22 from a local parts store, and seemed like it was easy enough. When you gotta get something under there. I gotta get a drip pan under there before I take that off. But yeah, just make sure that you hold on to the line when you go to pull it off, so you don't end up breaking the line. And pretty easy job though.